Good Tuesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. This is your outlook for September 30th, 2014. As we close out the month of September, we are going to still be ending on a warm note with temperatures well above normal. Not quite as warm as it was over the last couple days here. I don't think you get to 80 until you get to maybe down to Philadelphia here and into interior Maryland here. But it's going to be cutting it close. I think most areas are in the mid to upper 70s today. And we're dealing with partly cloudy skies for the most part. We will have some shower activity that's going to move in, basically isolated, and it is mostly over our Pennsylvania counties, maybe a little bit in northern New Jersey as well. But I think for areas, further south and east you go, the less chance you have of precipitation. That would include Delaware, southern New Jersey, and areas around the Philadelphia metro. As we head over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar, we're going to start this off from about noon on Tuesday here and go forward in time. We got some little isolated showers here popping up here and there, just hit or miss. Not really a lot to deal with here as far as precipitation is concerned, but isolated showers nonetheless. Same thing over northern New Jersey, very isolated, and not looking at anything in terms of a rain out. Kind of like those 30-minute or less duration type situations with this activity, and then once the sun goes down, this will start to die out a little bit, maybe getting a little bit isolated, even more isolated, I should say, overnight. But still that threat would be there for isolated storms. All right, not storms, I'm sorry, isolated showers. Isolated showers would be for the overnight, and not looking at any thunderstorms on your day on Tuesday or Wednesday. Heading back to the models now, for the global models anyway, we're going to head back to the GFS and take a look a little bit further here. Again, an isolated shower possibility here on Wednesday afternoon and evening here, just mainly across the same areas of interior PA. Just again, very isolated, but you will have a little more cloud cover to deal with, I think, on Wednesday than you will on Tuesday. So I'll probably go for most areas being partly cloudy on Tuesday with those isolated showers. And then on Wednesday, we're looking at mostly cloudy. So, but it does improve after that point. We do have an in-between day here on Thursday where we're going to have partly cloudy conditions across the entire area. And I say in between because we have another system coming in from the west. This is another cold front, and this is going to be an even more powerful cold front than the first. Powerful in the sense that we're going to be talking about temperatures dropping pretty significantly behind this cold front. Basically have area of low pressure that's north of the Great Lakes here, northern part of the Great Lakes into southeastern Canada. Here's your cold front sitting back here like this, and all the shower activity is going to be moving out ahead of it. Now, it's going to be kind of a close call when it gets in here. I think it's most of your day on Friday is okay. We're not dealing with any precipitation until you get into the evening hours, and that's going to be from west to east as it moves through here. Evening hours it starts, and then you get into some steadier rain overnight. And then as the models are now showing this for Saturday morning, where you're going to have some morning clouds and showers giving way to sunshine. So you have this starting off in the morning, Saturday 8 a.m. You got rain over New Jersey, rain over extreme eastern PA, starting to dwindle down, and the clearing skies will come in from west to east, it looks like, here on Saturday. So Saturday's not going to be a washout. Might start off a little bit damp and cloudy, but then we have improving conditions, so we'll call it becoming partly cloudy on Saturday. But one thing we're going to be dealing with is a temperature drop pretty significantly as you get into Sunday. Nothing showing on the models as far as precipitation, so we're looking at mostly sunny skies, but it's going to really feel like autumn on Sunday. Sunday's the day that really feels like that. So go over to the temperatures here. Here's a look at Saturday. Again, that front's going to come in through very early Saturday morning here. That's going to allow temperatures, from this area and point southeast to get in the mid to upper 60s, maybe even touching 70 here as you get down here into southern New Jersey. But that's it. That's all you get as far as highs. Stuck in the low to mid 60s up in the northern part of our coverage area up in here, and then we get up into Sunday, and you're really going to feel it across our coverage area quite a bit. Here's a look at Sunday. Many areas, here's your 60-degree line right here. Everything south and east of this is 60 or higher. Well, highest temperatures here are now looking at all the way down south here. You have to get to 65. You have to get all the way down into southern Delaware to get to a 65-degree reading. Elsewhere, we're between 60, low of 60 here in Allentown and Sussex, New Jersey. About 62 in Harrisburg, and then points southeast of there, it moderates a couple degrees more than that, but really not that high at all. And then everywhere northwest of this line, you're stuck in the 50s, and talking about mid to upper 50s for highs for some places on Sunday, and those mid-50s will probably be confined to the higher elevations of the Poconos, like right here is Mount Pocono. Higher elevations would get into the mid-50s for highs, it looks like, for Sunday. So definitely an autumn feel and below normal temperatures by the time we get to the weekend, especially for your day on Sunday. It's coming, and it's definitely fall outside, and you'll feel it this weekend. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for September 30th, 2014. Have a great Tuesday.